Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to mute the microphone on HONOR MagicBook. To mute the microphone, you need to go to your keyboard and first make sure that the F1 key isn't lit up, so you can click on it to turn it on or off. When it's off, you can just click on the F7 key to mute your microphone or unmute it. And it should be working. If it isn't, then the only way to mute your microphone is going to settings. Then in the settings you can go to Bluetooth and devices, I believe, then devices, and now you can go to sound. Then you will find the microphone, and you can see now it works because as I speak it shows the volume. And you can also click on the microphone here to click on don't allow, then it will stop working unless you allow it again. I don't know if it works now, but this is how it works. And sometimes the button on the keyboard works and sometimes it doesn't. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.